number 5 from our beginning sign language class is about sentence making words. Okay, so we have yes, yes, no, no. Like, my middle finger and my thumb are touching. Like. Do, palm is up, finger and thumb tap, the end pointing up to. Do. Not. You're going to take your thumb, brush it like so. Not. Favorite. Favor, I-T-E ending. Favorite. The. It. Make sure your first finger pokes out on that it. Lot. You can say a lot. And last, you can make a sign, plural, like in our spoken language, by taking your thumb and throwing it to the side of the same side. It's done with your lead hand. So this makes something plural, like likes, favorites, like that. Past tense is done by throwing your hand back, palm in towards you or behind you, and just move it back wherever the sign ends, like liked, favorited. Yes, like that. And last is the ing ending. Ing. This makes something present tense. Take your Y hand, bring it in, up and in towards you, and bring it down. Ing, liking, favoriting. Okay, what am I asking you? Tell me in comments. See you in video number 6.